Hey, so during the course of development, I have come across the situation of I have a bunch of images that have to be loaded into the app. I have play images, coach images, I have player images, I have logos for the teams. And I've noticed that even though I created them all pretty much the same dimensions or smaller, 1024 by 1024 is kind of my base set, my base square dimensions. I have a few here you can see that probably exceed that if you can see that detail there. These are too big. Even at this size, you can see I have several that are close. This one's close to 3 MB in size, which is excessive. I mean, that's definitely not ideal. When I download these onto my app, for one, they have to go over the network if they're being refreshed at all. So that's like moving a 3 MB file over the network. Now that's not so bad, but when you have a lot of, let's assume I get a decent amount of people using this game. Whenever they go online or they get an update, that's a megabyte for everybody. So that's basically I could be transferring a gigabyte's worth of data just out to 1,000 people, and that's kind of goofy, right? So these images don't need to be that big. In fact, I did some research. A lot of other games out there that use cards or even images, even the ones that use a PC version, don't usually have anything that exceeds more than a megabyte. And that's rare. Found that there's this pretty nifty tool called PNGoo, just this little applet that when you add a bunch of images, like in this case, we're going to go add some files. We're going to go add my players and we'll just add them all. And that's all of these. Now I'm just going to do an output straight back to the same folder. And you can see it tells you what the before original size is. You can see there's my 2 GB one here. And then I just say go, click. This tool is pretty nifty. It will keep your transparency for your PNGs. If you have PNGs and they have need for that, it'll keep that. It'll function fine. The images are, you can't tell the difference. If I click on these guys look pretty good. I mean, this is still a pretty decent image. This is big. It's on a 4K monitor for me. It's very clear. And these guys have already been resized. It's down from over a megabyte to a fifth of that. It's a cool tool. If you need to resize your images, bring them down into a more manageable size, save yourself some loading speeds and download speeds, especially if you're working over the network. But even on your app, if you've got a lot of images that need to load, keep them small. Check it out. Let me know what you think. That's PNGoo. It's actually called PNGQuant is the tool, and PNGoo you can get on that website. Till next time, God bless.